CNC Sports. Kirk out of Brighton, Michigan, and she rides for the Edge Racing Team.
How'd you do?
Worse than I thought.
Oh no! Which race were you in?
I was in 785 Limited and 785 Super Stock. These are runoff boats, like this one here. Some big boats came by when we were racing on the back stretch, about 4 to 5 foot breakers. And all of us were launched in the air, and it was.
Where you from?
From Chicago.
Oh, you're nearby.
Yeah.
That's yours, huh?
Maybe.
What is it?
XP 1996.
Oh, an XP 96. You gonna be back tomorrow?
I will be back tomorrow for John Tebbins, racing Expert 1200.
You'll be here tomorrow?
I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay. Good luck. Gentlemen, tough assignment?
Yes, very tough. But somebody's got to do it.
Oh, absolutely. And you two volunteered, right? We're here at the second day of the jet ski event at Washington Park. I have Andy Chartier with me.
Yeah.
And where are you from, Andy?
Bay City, Michigan.
How many times have you been in this event?
This is the first time here, so it's a pretty nice area.
What type of event were you in the competition?
Limited, the novice classes, the limited super stock and mod.
How many years have you been jet skiing?
Jet skiing about 4 years. This is my first year racing.
Really?
Yeah.
How far is, you say Bay City?
Yeah, about 6 hours.
Really? So you're way up there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if this woman loitering on the jet ski here would move, but...
I'm just waiting for a ride.
You're waiting for a ride, and Tony Simmons is back with me again. We survived that little rough boat journey from a few weeks ago, didn't we?
I survived. I took a couple falls there, but...
And she said she wanted to come back to Michigan City to see what's going on, so she's here.
I'm here.
Well, look, why don't we get Tony in the driver's seat and you go over some mechanisms, okay?
Okay. What do you want to know?
Anything, whatever. How she could steer this if she were on the water right now.
Well, your start button's here. That'd be starting the boat. You'd have to have this lanyard connected to your vest. That plug in there, and this is your throttle, and you just go.
Okay, and this is the gas.
Yeah, that's the gas.
So if you get out there and you don't know what you're doing, you pull this, right?
Then that killed the engine.
Or if you fall off, it kills the engine.
Right.
And I can do that.
Kill the engine and fall off?
Both.
All right, you glad to be back in Michigan City?
I love it. It was a little overcast where I was today.
Right, yeah, you were talking to me on the phone. She says, I don't know. I said, she says, it's chilly outside. She got here, now the sand's burning hot and it's in the 90s. So do you plan on going to any other races or events after this one?
2 weekends it's in Pontiac, Michigan, Waterford, and there's another races. It's a national event. The pros are going to be there on Sunday.
And how did you like the event here in Michigan City?
It was great.
Really?
The waves start coming when the big boats go by, but...
Sure. We know about that. Well, am I going to get you to do something productive today?
Probably a bikini contest.
Well, we'll see if they have one. If not, we'll have to get you doing something else. All right?
Yeah, then we'll get on the jet skis.
We'll hopefully do. Thank you for your time.
No problem.